Good morning, everybody. Shalom, shalom. Today we're going to make banana nut cornbread. Now, if you want to duplicate all my ingredients and everything, I'm using 1 cup self-rising cornmeal mix from Martha White, 1 cup all-purpose flour, great value, 1 cup sugar, great value, 1 cup buttermilk, Bob's Red Mill buttermilk powder, 1/4 cup oil, great value, extra virgin olive oil, dash of salt, 84 Elements Himalayan Pink Salt, 1 banana, Carmelta Brand from Mexico, 1 cup walnuts, great value brand, 1 teaspoon baking powder, Rumford, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, great value, and 2 eggs. So I've already got my eggs and my oil in here. And I'm going to smash up my banana and put it in there. And when I get all my ingredients, I've got them all measured out. When I've got all my ingredients in here, I'll bring you back. Hint, hint, a pastry cutter makes short work of that banana. Keep that in mind. And hint, hint again, pastry cutters also make short work of mixing up something like cornbread because it also scrapes the side of the bowl for you. Now, y'all know already, well, it's another test here on my oven. I got a new oven, the Amana. A lot of my pots and pans don't fit in there, not as comfortably as, of course, my big full-time stove. So I bought these stainless steel pans from Walmart, and I'm going to try this one right here. It's the mid-size one. Get rid of that. This one here. I'm going to put this cornbread in this pan, and we're going to see how it does. So just a second, I'll be right back. Now, I got this 3-pan set from Walmart, and I'm going to put in, at the end of the video, I'll put in a little picture of, I think I paid $17 for the 3 of them, and they're stainless steel. I believe they are made in the USA, so I hope they are. So let me put my cornbread, my banana nut cornbread, into this pan, and we'll put it in the oven. Since everything I've put in this cornbread, Molly can have it, so she gets to lick the bowl. 30 minutes on the timer. Little wonky looking there, ain't it? Looks good to me. So, because this is a cake type item, leave it in the pan for 10 minutes and then I'll remove it. Okay, y'all, 10 minutes are up and it's time to turn this baby out. And I have a feeling it may have stuck. So I maybe should have used parchment paper, but we'll find out here in just a second. Unfortunately, I got to turn the camera off, so I'll be right back. And no, it did not stick, but just a second, I got to turn it over. So it looks very nice. It came out of the pan very good, but as you can see, there is that little spot there. So I think next time I use the pan, if I'm going to use it for a cake or cornbread or something like that, I will use parchment paper. But all things considered, it looks good. Now let it cool off really, really, really well, and then we'll slice into it and we'll see how it tastes. Okay, it's nice and cooled off, so let's cut us a piece, and I think I can cut this one-handed. Let's see, come on. Yay! Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh, yes. Yes, sirree, Bob. That does look good. Now, let me taste it. Mmm. Yes. Yes, sirree. Now, let me lift this up. Mmm. Oh, that is good. Let me stop and take a picture real quick, because my pictures come out clearer. You know why my pictures come out clearer? I'm going to insert the picture right there. You know why my pictures come out clearer is because my pictures use flash. Oh, y'all, this is good. This is good. Okay, just a second. Okay, so here's my recipe. Oops, just a second. I'm going to drop it. Here's the recipe I used, and it is not a recipe. You can Google this and find it. It's 1 cup self-rising corn flour mix, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup buttermilk, a 1/4 cup oil, dash of salt, 1 banana, 1 cup walnuts, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 2 eggs. And there you go. Good, good. Ooh, yeah, it's good. Oh, you know what? This calls for a fresh pot of coffee. Sure does. So, thanks, you guys. Ooh. Just a second, let me... It's not polite to talk with my mouth full. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you try this. It's good. You know, it almost doesn't even taste like cornbread. Shalom, shalom. Bye.